Your body might be inflamed right now, and you may not even know it. If you constantly feel tired, wake up with stiffness, struggle with belly fat that won't go away, deal with brain fog, bloating, skin issues, or frequent headaches, your body could be fighting silent inflammation. And here's the problem. Chronic inflammation doesn't just make you uncomfortable. Over time, it can lead to serious health conditions like heart disease, fatty liver, diabetes, joint problems, and even accelerated aging. But here's the good news. Inflammation is not permanent. Your body has a powerful ability to calm and heal if you give it the right environment. Today, you'll learn what causes inflammation, the everyday habits that quietly make it worse, and simple natural steps you can start using immediately to reverse it. Let's start with understanding what inflammation really is. Inflammation isn't always bad. In fact, it's your body's natural defense system. When you get injured or sick, your immune system creates short-term inflammation to protect and repair. The problem begins when inflammation becomes constant. This type is called chronic inflammation, and it's usually caused by daily lifestyle factors, not injuries. The biggest triggers include too much sugar and refined carbs and processed and fast foods, followed by poor sleep, chronic stress, and a lack of movement. Excess alcohol and being overweight, especially around the abdomen. When these triggers continue day after day, your immune system stays in alert mode, slowly damaging tissues, organs, and metabolism. Now, let's talk about the biggest inflammation-causing foods. The first is added sugar, which increases inflammatory chemicals in the body. The second is refined carbohydrates like white bread and pastries. These act like sugar once digested. Third is fried and ultra-processed foods, followed by processed meats and excessive alcohol. Inflammation doesn't calm down because of one superfood. It improves when your daily habits change. The most powerful way to reduce inflammation naturally is through an anti-inflammatory diet. Start by filling half your plate with vegetables, especially leafy greens like spinach and kale, broccoli and cauliflower, bell peppers, zucchini, and cucumbers. Vegetables are rich in antioxidants that help neutralize inflammation. Next, add healthy fats. Use extra virgin olive oil instead of vegetable oils. Eat avocados, nuts, and seeds. Include fatty fish like salmon or mackerel 2 to 3 times per week. These actively reduce inflammatory signals. Then focus on clean protein sources, eggs, fish, chicken, or lentils to help stabilize blood sugar. For carbohydrates, choose whole, slow-digesting options like oats, quinoa, or sweet potatoes. Avoid the white refined versions. One of the fastest ways to reduce inflammation is simple. Replace sugary drinks with water. You can also add green tea or lemon water. Hydration helps your body flush out inflammatory waste. Sleep plays a major role. If you regularly sleep less than 6-7 hours, your body produces more inflammatory hormones. Next is movement. You don't need intense workouts. Start with walking 20-30 minutes daily or light stretching. Chronic stress keeps your body in survival mode, driving inflammation. Even 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing can make a difference. Many try to fix inflammation with supplements first, but they cannot override a poor diet or lack of sleep. Start with habits first. Now let's put this into a daily example. Breakfast could be oatmeal with berries or eggs with vegetables and avocado. Lunch, grilled chicken or salmon with a large salad. Dinner, lean protein with steamed vegetables and whole grains. If you stay consistent, you'll notice more energy, less bloating, improved digestion, and better sleep. Within a few months, joint discomfort reduces and blood markers of inflammation often improve. Remember, inflammation didn't build up overnight. Every meal and every walk sends your body a message. You can heal. Start small. Drink more water. Add vegetables to one meal today. Go to bed a little earlier tonight. Small steps create powerful healing. Your body isn't broken, it's inflamed, and now you know how to calm it naturally.